It's Tuesday, 10th of June, 10:30 p.m. Dear viewers, you're still watching us on ERi-TV, presenting you the domestic and international news prepared for this session, live from our headquarters in Asmara. I'm Hermela Grumai, inviting you to join us on our tonight's news broadcast. Let's start with the major headlines. Meeting focusing on empowering women. Effective achievements in ensuring blood supply. Iran warns it will target Israel's sacred nuclear sites if attacked. And Austria, several people have been killed in a shooting at a secondary school. On our detailed domestic news, the National Union of Eritrean Women branch in the northern Red Sea region organized a meeting on 8th June for women from various institutions aimed at enhancing women's overall capacity. At the meeting, Mrs. Helen Makhata from the Central Office of the National Union of Eritrean Women gave a briefing accompanied by historical examples on the experiences and struggles women have undergone at various stages in world history to secure their rights. Noting that the contribution of Eritrean women in the armed struggle for independence is acknowledged internationally and beyond the continental level, Mrs. Helen called on women to take advantage of the educational opportunities provided by the government and to become competitive and effective in the workplace. Mr. Saleh Nafi, head of organizational affairs at the Union's Northern Red Sea Region branch, stated that organizing meetings and seminars aimed at empowering young women is one of the main objectives of the Union. He emphasized that active participation and the presentation of constructive ideas by women are crucial to fully realizing these objectives. The participants conducted extensive discussions on the issues raised during the meeting and adopted various recommendations. In other news, Mr. Berkhat Mosazki, Secretary of the National Voluntary Blood Donors Association, reported that significant achievements have been registered in ensuring a consistent blood supply to health facilities through voluntary blood donation. Mr. Berkhat made the comment in connection with World Blood Donation Day, 14th June, noting that the annual blood demand of the National Blood Transfusion Service ranges from 12,000 to 15,000 units. Mr. Berkhat stated that voluntary blood donations, which were fewer than 10,000 units in 2019, surpassed 16,000 units in 2024. This, he said, reflects the growing public awareness. Mr. Berkhat noted that the main objective of the association is to ensure a sustainable blood supply to health facilities. He stated that the association is expanding its network, improving its systems, and working closely with partners to meet its goals. He also mentioned that the number of active members has reached 12,000 and that 67 institutions regularly donate blood voluntarily, in addition to numerous individuals and group donators. World Blood Donation Day, 14 June, will be observed under the theme Give Blood, Give Hope, Together We Save Lives, featuring various programs highlighting the importance of the day. In other news, the Kermit Health Station, located in the Shabak administrative area of Haggas subzone, reported that it is providing commendable healthcare services to the public, especially in improving maternal and child health. Residents stated that they have previously been compelled to travel long distances for healthcare services. With the establishment of the health station nearby, their problem has been resolved. Assistant Nurse Warade Abio reported that the health station serves the administrative areas of Shabak, As'are, Adhamid, Karwat, Filhito, or Omar, Demba'ad Tsagay, Dembazaratsiyon, Guldamit, and Kermit. The station also conducts regular awareness-raising activities aimed at enhancing public understanding of the health issues. Nurse Yabiyo added that vaccination coverage in the area has reached 100%. Kermit Health Station is one of the 6 health facilities in the Haggas subzone and is located 40 kilometers southeast of Haggas town. Dear viewers, do stay tuned for our international news right after the short break. Welcome back. Iran's top security body warned yesterday that its armed forces would immediately target Israel's secret nuclear facilities following claims it has obtained sensitive Israeli intelligence. The Supreme National Security Council issued the statement after Iran had acquired a significant cache of Israeli documents through intelligence operations. According to the Council, months of intelligence gathering had enabled Iran's armed forces to identify high-value Israeli targets for potential retaliatory strikes should Israel initiate military action against Iranian interests. Israel is believed by many to possess nuclear weapons, though it has never officially confirmed or denied this, maintaining a long-standing policy of strategic ambiguity. It's believed that the military attack Israel is striking towards Gaza, Syria, and Lebanon is leading the zone to deep security and military crisis. In other news, several people have been killed in a shooting at a secondary school in the Austrian city of Graz, the Interior Ministry says. Students and teachers are believed to be among the casualties after gunshots at the Dreierschott Sengese High School. According to reports, 8 people have been killed in the attack, but the number of facilities has been confirmed by officials yet. A police spokesman tells public broadcaster the suspected gunman is believed to have killed himself. The police say an operation is underway and a helicopter has been deployed. Dear viewers, we are done with the news prepared for this session, and now it's a time for a quick recap of the major headlines. Meeting focusing on empowering women. Effective achievements in ensuring blood supply. Iran warns it will target Israel's secret nuclear sites if attacked. And Austria, several people have been killed in a shooting at a secondary school. Ladies and gentlemen, that was all for tonight. Thank you for having us and have a blessed one.